No problem.
What's your name? Muhammad Usman.
आपने मेरी बना ठीक है
Smile is awesome. कैसे करते हैं? This is special thing. Do you want this smile?
Achievement is related with the targeted goals or aims in life. My achievement is to love people and also build myself as an extrovert and famous among my surrounded people. My achievements are the best moment in my life. I have made many achievements in my life. I am happy such an achiever. When I done my BA, I got only 62% in exam. After that, I got admission in Punjab University in Maths department on quota reserve seat and and I got 3.74 GPA in first semester, and inshallah in second semester I will get 3.9. I will get 3.9 GPA inshallah.
You're from